时，时，
time, times, hour, season, tense,
time, times, hour, season, tense,
时候，时候，
time, length of time, moment, period,
time, length of time, moment, period.
你什么时候去上班？你什么时候去上班？
when do you go to work,
When do you go to work?
年轻的时候，年轻的时候，
when young,
When young.
年轻的时候要努力奋斗，免得年老之后一事无成，后悔莫及。年轻的时候要努力奋斗，免得年老之后一事无成，后悔莫及。
when you are young, you have to work hard, so that you will not achieve nothing and regret it when you are old.
When you are young, you have to work hard, so that you will not achieve nothing and regret it when you are old.
小时候，小时候，
childhood,
Childhood.
这些是我小时候的照片。这些是我小时候的照片。
these are pictures from my childhood.
These are pictures from my childhood.
小时候妹妹比我矮，现在却超过我了。小时候妹妹比我矮，现在却超过我了。
My sister was shorter than me when I was a child, but now she is taller than me.
My sister was shorter than me when I was a child, but now she is taller than me.
这时候，这时，这时候，这时，
at this time,
At this time.
这时候我才明白，父母所做的一切都是为了我好。这时候我才明白，父母所做的一切都是为了我好。
only then did I understand that everything my parents did was for my own good.
Only then did I understand that everything my parents did was for my own good.
那时候，那时，那时候，那时，
At that time,
At that time.
那时候我什么都不知道。那时候我什么都不知道。
I didn't know anything back then.
I didn't know anything back then.
有时候，有时，有时候，有时，
Sometimes,
Sometimes.
有时候我们要学会拒绝别人。有时候我们要学会拒绝别人。
sometimes we have to learn to reject others.
Sometimes we have to learn to reject others.
时间，时间，
Time, period,
Time. Period.
你需要多长时间才能完成这项任务？你需要多长时间才能完成这项任务？
how long will it take you to complete this task?
How long will it take you to complete this task?
你给我3个星期的时间，我保证完成任务。你给我3个星期的时间，我保证完成任务。
You give me 3 weeks, and I promise to complete the task.
You give me 3 weeks, and I promise to complete the task.
小时，小时，
Hour,
Hour.
你一定要好好利用这3个小时来完成考试。你一定要好好利用这3个小时来完成考试。
You have to make good use of the 3 hours to complete the exam.
You have to make good use of the 3 hours to complete the exam.
按时，按时，
On time. Before deadline. On schedule.
On time. Before deadline. On schedule.
学生必须按时交作业。学生必须按时交作业。
Students must turn in assignments on time.
Students must turn in assignments on time.
医生叮嘱病人必须按时吃药。医生叮嘱病人必须按时吃药。
The doctor told the patient to take the medicine on time.
The doctor told the patient to take the medicine on time.
当时，当时，
At that time.
At that time.
你知道真相，为什么当时不说呢？你知道真相，为什么当时不说呢？
You know the truth, why didn't you tell it then?
You know the truth, why didn't you tell it then?
事故发生的太突然，我记得当时我被弹了起来，又摔倒在地上，浑身疼痛。事故发生的太突然，我记得当时我被弹了起来，又摔倒在地上，浑身疼痛。
The accident happened so suddenly that I remember being bounced and falling to the ground, feeling pain all over my body.
The accident happened so suddenly that I remember being bounced and falling to the ground, feeling pain all over my body.
及时，及时，
In time. Promptly. Without delay. Timely.
In time. Promptly. Without delay. Timely.
他及时赶到帮助我们。他及时赶到帮助我们。
He arrived just in time to help us.
He arrived just in time to help us.
幸好司机及时刹车，不然后果不堪设想。幸好司机及时刹车，不然后果不堪设想。
Fortunately, the driver braked in time, otherwise the consequences would be disastrous.
Fortunately, the driver braked in time, otherwise the consequences would be disastrous.
平时，平时，
Normal times. Usually.
Normal times. Usually.
他平时喜欢去海边钓鱼。他平时喜欢去海边钓鱼。
He usually likes to go fishing by the sea.
He usually likes to go fishing by the sea.
平时如果认真学习，考试时就不会紧张。平时如果认真学习，考试时就不会紧张。
If you study hard at normal times, you will not be nervous during the exam.
If you study hard at normal times, you will not be nervous during the exam.
同时，同时，
At the same time. Simultaneously.
At the same time. Simultaneously.
他在做饭的同时还学习法语。他在做饭的同时还学习法语。
While cooking, she also learns French.
While cooking, she also learns French.
活动将在这5个地区同时举行。活动将在这5个地区同时举行。
Events will be held simultaneously in these 5 regions.
Events will be held simultaneously in these 5 regions.
暂时， 暂时。
temporary, provisional. For the time being.
Temporary. Provisional. For the time being.
你还没找到房子，不妨暂时在我家住几天。你还没找到房子，不妨暂时在我家住几天。
You haven't found a house yet, so you might as well stay in my house for a few days.
You haven't found a house yet, so you might as well stay in my house for a few days.
目前案件仍在调查中，暂时不能确定主谋是谁。目前案件仍在调查中，暂时不能确定主谋是谁。
The case is still under investigation, and it is not yet possible to determine who the mastermind is.
The case is still under investigation, and it is not yet possible to determine who the mastermind is.
准时，准时。
On time. Punctual. On schedule.
On time. Punctual. On schedule.
如果不出意外的话，他会准时到达的。如果不出意外的话，他会准时到达的。
If nothing else, he'll be there on time.
If nothing else, he'll be there on time.
我会准时参加您的婚宴。我会准时参加您的婚宴。
I will be on time for your wedding reception.
I will be on time for your wedding reception.
谢谢观看。